Hi friends, the impact of artificial intelligence on employment in the information technology field. It's a topic of discussion and debate. Let us discuss in this video. Guys, please do subscribe our channel and please do like our videos. This is our new channel, SciTechwiz. Your subscriptions are very much required. Your subscriptions are very much appreciated. Please subscribe. While artificial intelligence has the potential to automate certain tasks and processes traditionally performed by IT professionals, it can also create new opportunities and change the nature of the work. Let us try to understand a few key points to consider. Number 1, automation of routine tasks. Yes, artificial intelligence and automation technologies can streamline repetitive and mundane tasks in information technology field, such as software testing, network monitoring, or data analysis. This automation can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, potentially reducing the need for certain low-level or repetitive job roles. Whether you like it or not, this is a fact. Artificial intelligence is going to replace few parts of software testing, network monitoring, and data analysis. Number 2, shifting skill requirements. As artificial intelligence technology advances, the demand for IT professionals with skills in areas such as machine learning, data analytics, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence development is likely to grow. So, jobs that require high-level skills, creativity, problem solving, and the ability to work with AI systems are expected to become more important. So, guys, try to learn machine learning, data analytics, cybersecurity. Anyway, in our SciTechwiz channel, we are covering cybersecurity concepts. We started with that and we are going to cover other topics also. We are going to cover machine learning, we are going to cover data analytics, we are going to cover many more in our channel. So please do subscribe our channel. Job transformation. Rather than completely replacing IT professionals, artificial intelligence may transform job roles by augmenting their capabilities. IT professionals can leverage AI tools and technologies to enhance their work, improve decision making, and automate certain tasks, allowing them to focus on more strategic and complex responsibilities. So, if you have experience in information technology field, that is very much required to use AI tools and technologies. So, you are not outdated. You will be used somewhere else in some other form. So be ready to learn AI tools and technologies. New opportunities. Yes, the development and deployment of artificial intelligence technologies also create new job opportunities. AI requires skilled professionals for designing, developing, implementing, and maintaining AI systems. Additionally, managing and overseeing AI projects, ethical considerations, and governance are important aspects that require human expertise. Yes. So it's important to note that the impact of artificial intelligence on employment is not limited to the IT field alone. AI is expected to have broad-ranging effects across various industries, and job roles across all sectors may undergo changes with this result. So, to adapt to these changes, individuals in the IT field should consider acquiring new skills and staying updated with emerging technologies. So, guys, lifelong learning, staying flexible, and embracing new opportunities for upskilling and reskilling can help IT professionals remain competitive in the evolving job market. Additionally, focusing on areas where human creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving are crucial can help future-proof careers in the age of artificial intelligence. So I hope our video is helpful to you, at least a little bit. If so, please express your opinions in the comment section. And what do you think about our video, or what do you think about IT jobs with respect to artificial intelligence? Whatever you have, any information, whatever you are thinking, just write down in the comments section. Please do subscribe our channel. Please do like our videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.